In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add numbers to your Trello cards so you can organize tasks more clearly and track them with ease. If you've ever wanted to automatically number your cards for better reference, reporting, or workflow management, this is the easiest way to do it. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and by the end of this video, your Trello board will automatically display card numbers. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello guides. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Trello workspace where you can see all of your boards. From here, click on the board where you want to add numbers to your cards. This can be any existing board that you're currently working on. After clicking the board, wait for it to fully load so you can access all the settings and options. Now look toward the top right corner of your board. You'll see an option labeled Power-Ups. Go ahead and click on Power-Ups. Power-Ups are Trello's way of adding extra features and integrations to your board, and this is exactly how we're going to enable automatic card numbering. After clicking on Power-Ups, a panel will open. Here, click on Add Power-Ups to browse the available options. You'll now see a search bar that allows you to find specific Power-Ups. Click inside the search bar and type in Card Numbers by Reenhanced. As you type, you should see it appear in the search results. This is the Power-Up that automatically adds unique numbers to each of your Trello cards. Once you see Card Numbers by Reenhanced in the results, click on it. This will open the Power-Up Details page where you can review information about what it does. Next, click the Add button. Trello may ask you to confirm that you want to add this Power-Up to your board. If prompted, click Add again to confirm and enable it. After the Power-Up has been successfully added, you can close the Power-Ups window by clicking the X icon in the top corner of the panel. Now take a look at your cards. You'll immediately notice that each card now has a unique number displayed on it. These numbers are automatically assigned and help you quickly reference specific tasks, especially when collaborating with a team. Instead of saying the third card in the to-do list, you can simply refer to card number 24 or whichever number appears on the card. This is incredibly useful for project tracking, reporting bugs, managing client requests, or organizing large boards with many tasks. The numbering updates automatically as new cards are created, so you don't need to manually manage anything. And that's it. That's how you add numbers to Trello cards using the Card Numbers by Reenhanced Power-Up. It only takes a couple of minutes to set up, and it can make a big difference in how organized and professional your board looks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity hacks, and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.